Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron NCC pants. First, set up your ironing board and fill your iron with water. Make sure your iron is clean to avoid transferring marks. Always check the care label on your pants for the recommended heat setting. Lay your pants flat on the board, ensuring they are free of any major creases before you begin. Now, let's create that sharp front crease. Fold one pant leg so the side seams meet, forming a crisp line. Carefully press the iron along this fold, moving slowly and applying even pressure. Use steam to help set the crease firmly. Repeat these steps for the second pant leg, making sure both creases are perfectly aligned and sharp. Next, iron the rest of the pant legs. Work in small, manageable sections, gliding the iron smoothly over the fabric. Be careful to avoid pressing directly over pockets or zippers, as this can leave unwanted marks. Keep the iron moving to prevent any scorching. Once one side is done, flip the pants over and iron the back, always maintaining that crisp front crease. To finish up, immediately hang your perfectly ironed NCC pants on a good hanger. This helps them maintain their shape and prevents new wrinkles from forming. Let them cool down completely before you wear or store them. For an even sharper look, consider using a light starch or crease spray before you iron. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.